While some people might get to take the day off for a snow day like this one, that is certainly not the case for first responders.
When seconds matter in emergencies, they're working in the snowy conditions to keep us safe. 12 News' Kendall Keys is joining us live at 6th and Juneau tonight. And Kendall, you went along with Milwaukee's fire chief today.
Right, and they added extra people on board those fire trucks rather than a typical 4-person crew. Some of those engine companies had a 5th person. It's an extra helping hand when every second counts.
Timeliness is our trademark.
12 News riding alongside Milwaukee Fire Chief Aaron Lipsky during Wednesday's snowstorm.
And they're on about 14 runs so far since 8 a.m. And beyond that, I mean, a normal day, 15, 16, 17 runs, they're already at that. We're not even halfway through the shift.
And when the roads look like this,
it takes us longer to get from point A to point B.
Chief Lipsky says his crews kept busy all day, responding to call after call, a majority medical runs, including a police shooting.
Anytime we hear our partners in blue are in trouble, it hits us very hard.
An officer shot and wounded near 27th in Wisconsin. Police say they killed a man with a rifle.
It just feels good to be able to go there and help.
Traffic cameras rolling as an MFD ambulance takes the officer to a hospital.
Just so happy he's alive.
37, are you requesting 53 now?
Hours later, another call for help at 27th and Fond du Lac. A crash and a 911 caller who initially couldn't be found.
We're gonna drive around the area, see if we find anyone.
After a second search,
We found our accident. We're gonna take an updated location of Fond du Lac and Tamarack.
Fond du Lac and Tamarack, all right.
firefighters do that second look because of a policy implemented last year after Jolene Waldruff died in the snow near 76 in Congress on a bitterly cold night. She had fallen and a private ambulance crew didn't see her until it was too late.
They're making that pattern around to make sure they don't miss something, and they found the person here. So
The second look critical during extreme weather conditions.
see you, Chief. Appreciate it. Be well. All right, we're gone.
An important perspective tonight, Kendall. Right now, you're joining us from a busy Milwaukee intersection, getting a look at the road conditions there. The same roads fire trucks have to drive on as well.
Right, Deanna, take a look. It's a slushy, snowy mess. We've been seeing cars' tires spinning, and today we got a first-hand look at just how hard it was for fire trucks to navigate these roads. They have to allow for extra time for drivers to safely get out of the way once those sirens come on. Oh, here we have a car sliding in the road here. Looks like they're turning it around. They're gonna keep going on their way there. All right. Important to be careful on these roads. Take it slow, and Chief Lipsky said it's never a bad idea to remind drivers once you hear those sirens come on to move out of the way safely.
Yeah, we kind of held our breath when we saw that little spin out happen. Kendall, stay safe out there, and we hope that everyone does the same. Thank you.